Hello, welcome to video number 3. This one is about creating posts and creating pages. I'll get to the posts first because I think that's the one that people are going to mostly need. When you need to create a new post, we have two types of posts that will show up in two different areas. So the first one is the news page here. So this is for any general blogging, any general news. I suggest maybe events in Talon and information about the hostel, any information that's going down. Then the next page we have is the events. Now this was set out to be a place where the permanent events of the hostel should go. So here we have a different setting for each post. You have the time, the date, and the location, which should come up in every post. This is the most important pieces of information right here. So let's go about making a post. First, we have the posts. This is for the news section. So as you can see in this tab, we can view all posts. We can add a new post. We can add categories, and we can add tags. These two I haven't done much. But let's go create a new post for the news section. Okay, so this as usual, title, I'll just make it test post. Okay, now we have some options here to add pictures, to add a slider. So there's a video about this meta slider, if we need a slider for our post, which is probably not likely. Now, here is the text area, and let's just take some information from somewhere. Okay, copy this. Where are we? Okay, add new post. Let me get rid of all these. Okay, so we've added a little bit of information, and you can see here we have the publish. We can have a saved draft, which won't publish it to the site. We can preview it. We can preview what our post looks like before. Okay, you can see there's nothing here. Now, what we want to do is we can have a look at what categories we have. So this is news. Let's say this is about let's say there's a summer festival. Okay, summer festival, we have a little bit of information about it. You have all these options here about formatting your text, and this is what it's going to look like. Let's add an image. Something about a summer festival. Okay, here we go. So insert this into the post. There's probably some better plugins that I can use for image galleries. Maybe I'll figure that out at a later date. Okay, let's say we want to add a new category, things to do. So this will be for the guests at the hostel. They can look on this site for things to do, if you want to go down that route. So we add the category, and it shows up here. Now, this featured image is the image that is going to show up everywhere for the post. Now, what image did we use? Where's all the people? Okay, there we go. People. We have the options to edit the image. You can check all this out yourself. You can change the image size down, not up. You can't make a smaller picture larger because it's going to look like shit. Apply the changes to all the image sizes and then go to back. It didn't really do anything, but we have that. Okay, so let's find this picture and we can set this as the featured image. Okay, so we have things to do, news, and before. Let's preview it in a new tab. Okay, good. Looks nice. Posted on. Information about the festival, and we can go back here, and then when we finalize what we want to do, then we can publish. Now, what we do is we can check out the news, and there it is, Summer Festival. Thing about images is always check the image size, that it's larger than what it's going to be on the page, or else you're going to lose the quality. Okay, so it shows up here in the latest news section. And it shows up down here. Okay, so let's just go back and we move that to trash because it was only test. Okay, so now in all of the posts you can see that it's not there anymore. Then you can see that okay. Now this is something that's just a little bit different on this site as opposed to any other sites, is we have our events. So when we create an image here, it's going to show up on this page. So let's go and make another one. So let's find this post, little pin. We can look at all the events that we already have, and we can go and edit the existing events from here. But what we want to do is add a new event. Let's say it's okay. So lucid dreaming. Lucid dreaming. Okay. We go about all the same things. We have a new. We have a new event. Okay. And of course, we have a little bit of information. Now, the thing that's different is we have this compulsory information. So if we try to publish it now, validation failed, you need to fill out some fields down here. So, okay, so it's in Hostel Euphoria. What day is this on? Let's say each Saturday. Then the beginning time, 1700 hours. Okay. We can add new custom fields, but I don't suggest you do that. And then, as usual, we need to set an image so it comes up everywhere. I think I did have a lucid dreaming event somewhere. Here we are. That'll do. So that's a very small image. See, you want to check that. If there are no appropriate images, then you can go to upload files and select the file from your computer and this is one I prepared earlier. Okay, and as you know, you can edit the image, and then you can set this as the featured image. So we can do a preview. Okay, looks good. It's got the time, date, location, and the text all right there. So we like that. We can publish. Something going on here. Okay, let's do that again. Lucid dreaming, information, Custom Euphoria. Each Saturday, 1700. Featured image. Now our image is in the gallery because we've already uploaded it. Bang. Okay, done. Publish. Okay, so let's go and check that it shows up everywhere that it should be showing up. Open mic night, lucid dreaming. People can just scroll through the carousel here, then check on the events. Okay, so it's showing up, the latest one. Now, you have this events tab here, so let's go to, we want to have that as the drop down menu so people can go straight to the event that they're interested in. So we will need to go to the menus. Let's go to the menus. Events. Okay. Lucid dreaming. Okay, where are we? Can't find it. Okay. Okay, good. Here it is showing up. And we want to add it as a sub item. If it looks like that, then it's going to show up as another one of these items. Okay, so we want it to show up in the sub menu, the drop down menu. Save the menu, as we always do, and then check it on the page. Okay, so it doesn't show up here. Okay, now there's a little problem with that. So it's a sub item of the sub item. Okay, so these should all be in line. Small things like that need to be checked out. So that's why you check everything after you make a change. Okay, so there they are, open mic, lucid dreaming, jam sessions. Okay, so check that before. And that's it for creating posts. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.